What does Paella Valenciana contain? Ingredients and material used in cooking procedures during 20th and 21st centuries. Today, the region where this famous rice dish traditionally comes from, also eaten nowadays throughout Spain, is Valencia, in the Mediterranean east coast of Spain. The proximity of their nature reserve called Albufera made the existence of rice fields possible and said like this is the perfect condition for the creation of this dish. The rice is the principal ingredient of this dish, being introduced with the Arabs in Europe. Rice needs to have the perfect consistency in order to reveal its best flavor and texture. It may seem basic, but is the pillar everything builds upon. In fact, this rice is very important due to that absorbs much more liquid and flavor than other rice. However, many people confuse paella with other rice dishes. To solve this problem, the official web page of the paella established recently with the recipes of the restaurant a statistical pattern of the ingredients of the authentic paella, including 10 ingredients as are rice, chicken, rabbit, saffron, great fresh tomato, feraura, roasted or white green bean, garfo beans, water, virgin olive oil, and salt. In this work, we use this statistical pattern to review Paella Valencia concept from historic and culinary perspective during both centuries. Results reflect that the paella term is used incorrectly in 5, 7, 75 and 79% from the literature, Greek literature, social media and web page respectively. In fact, in some of these bibliographic sources, the Paella Valenciana is defined as a dish that is made with those ingredients that you have available and throw everything in the paella. On contrary, in other manuscripts, the elaboration on the recipe appears meticulous detailed. In cookbooks, Paella Valenciana is incorrectly carried out with other different standard ingredients, reflecting this mistake in the 48% of cookbooks reviewed in this work. In conclusion, the concept paella has always generated confusion. Paella Valenciana nomenclature has been defined in the first half of the 21st century in order to protect the recipe and differentiate it from the other rice dishes cooked. Paella Valenciana includes 10 standard ingredients and other supported variants and employs very precise culinary.